बोल सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। बोल उमापति महादेव की जय। बोल काशीपति कैलाशपति उमापति महादेव की जय। जय श्री राम, हर हर महादेव। सभी लोग वेलकम once more to त्रिवेणी मंदिर नित्य सोमवार सत्संग। भगवान श्री महारुद्र के अभिषेक संपूर्ण हो गए। Now let us all join as we offer स्तुति प्रार्थना निवेदन एवं आवाहनम to सदाशिव शंकर भगवान। महाशिव पुराण कथा श्रवण करने से पहले नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय। जाताय बहुधा लोके प्रभुताय नमो नमः। नीलाय नीलरुद्राय कृद्रुद्राय प्रचेतसे। मीडुष्णमाय देवाय शिपिविष्टाय ते नमः। महीयसे नमस्तुभ्यं हन्त्रे देवा ऋणां सदा। ताराय च सुताराय तरुणाय सुतेजसे। हरिकेशाय देवाय महेशाय नमो नमः। देवानां संभवे तुभ्यं विभवे परमात्मने। परमाय नमस्तुभ्यं कालकण्ठाय ते नमः। हिरण्याय परेशाय हिरण्यवपुषे नमः। भीमाय भीमरूपाय भीमकर्णधराय। भस्मदिग्ध शरीराय रुद्राक्ष भरणाय च नमो ह्रस्वाय दीर्घाय वामनाय नमोस्तुते। बोल सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। बोली उमापति महादेव की जय। शिव कैलाशों की वस महाशिवरात्रि से पहले we told you the Leela of the birth of Tarakasura. Tarakasura is a very important Rakshas in Mahashiv Purana. Tarakasura, when he performed tapasya to Brahma ji, so सबसे पहले he asked Brahma ji, hey Vidhata, nobody in this entire universe should be able to defeat me. मेरे बराबर कोई नहीं होना चाहिए. तो ब्रह्मा जी ने कहा, तारकासुर, मैंने जितने देवी देवताओं मनुष्य को बनाया, मैं तुमको वचन दे सकता हूँ. None of them will be as powerful as you, whoever I have created. लेकिन इस ब्रह्मांड में वो 3-4 स्थान है और 2-3 देवी देवता है जिनको मैंने बनाया ही नहीं. There are a few places that I did not create, and there are a few devi devatas that I did not create. They were here before me. तो you will not be as powerful as them. तो वचन दिए कि मेरे ब्रह्मांड में मेरे हाथ से जो भी बनाए हैं, whoever I have created, you will be more powerful than them. तो तारकासुर ने विचार किया, ब्रह्मा जी की सामर्थ्य नहीं है ये वरदान देने के लिए, फिर भी शंकर जी और भगवान विष्णु या जगदम्बिकी मैया माता काली, they can kill me at any time. So how do I become invincible? बहुत देर तक विचार किया. Then Tarakasur, remembering that at this time Mata Sati had recently given up her life, and when she had given up her life, तो भगवान शिव, उनके पास तो कोई संतान नहीं थे. तो Tarakasur thought to himself, I do not believe that Bhagavan Shiva will ever get married again. मुझे विश्वास नहीं है, भोले बाबा कभी नहीं विवाह करेंगे दोबारा. When they saw the painful state that Bhagavan Shiva was in, carrying the body of Mata Sati, और वैसे भी तो महायोगेश्वर है, वो परम वैरागी है, उनको इच्छा भी नहीं थी, only for the sake of Leela. Tarakasur says, Vidhata, Shiva Virya Samutpanna Putra Sena Patiryada. Only if a devata is born from the seed of Bhagavan Shiva, matlab, he has to be the son of Bhagavan Shiva. शब्दों पर ध्यान दीजिए. शिव वीर्य समुत्पन्ना, he has to be born from the seed of Bhagavan Shiva. भोलेनाथ के पास तो बहुत सारे मानस पुत्र हैं. I just told you the katha of how Mangaldev was born. He was born from a drop of sweat that fell from the mastak of Bhagavan Shiva. How was Veerbhadra created? He was created from a lock of hair from the jata of Bhagavan Shiva. So Bhagavan Shiva, he can create a son, he can create a devata using many different means. लेकिन परम योगेश्वर है, परम वैरागी है. When he has this kind of control, तो महाशिव पुराण में लिखे हैं, when the great sannyasi has extreme control of all of his senses, jitendriya, so then their virta does not fall down, it stays in an upward position in the body. So Tarakasura says, Shiva Virya Samutpanna Putra Sena Patiryada. Only a son born from the seed of Bhagavan Shiva should be able to kill me. Brahma ji ne kaha tathastu. He gave this vardhan. As soon as Tarakasura was given this power, devotees, दुष्टों के हाथ में जैसे पद आते हैं, कुर्सी आती है. Whenever bad people get power, position, influence, wealth, तो दुष्कर्म ही करेंगे. और क्या उम्मीद है आपको? सत्कर्म करेंगे. People act according to their nature. मैं उदाहरण देता हूँ, आप लोग बुरा मत मानिए. If your wife is always spending your money and you give her more money, so what do you expect? She is going to put it in a RSSP या खर्च करेगी? If every time your husband gets his paycheck, he goes and he uses half of it buying alcohol, so what do you expect if he gets a bigger paycheck? Will he buy less or buy more? So people act according to their nature. सज्जन के हाथ में पावर आएगा तो वो सत्कर्म करेगा, और दुष्टों के हाथ में शक्ति आएगी तो तारकासुर प्रजाजश्च पालयामास पीडयन्निराधिका. Tarakasur, as soon as he got this invincible power from Brahmaji, immediately he took over all of Prithvilok. पूरे पृथ्वीलोक पर शासन किए. Then he thought to himself, मैं अब इंद्र को निकाल के स्वर्गलोक को कब्जा करता हूँ. इंद्र नेरावतस्तस्य भयात् तस्मै समर्पित कुबेरेण तदा दत्ता निधये नवसंज्ञका. Immediately Tarakasur went to Swargalok and he defeated all of the devatas. He defeated all of the gods. As they stood in front of him, bowing to him, देवेंद्र ने कहा, सरकार क्या चाहिए आपको? Tarakasur said, वैसे तो मैं आप लोग को मारना चाहता हूँ, but you cannot die because you have drunk अमृत. तो एक काम करते हैं, जो भी तुम्हारे पास है, whatever you have of great value, give it to me. Indra rides on Airavat. Airavat Tarakasur को दे दिया. Varun Dev gave him Uchchaishrava. Then he called Kuber. Kuber is the treasurer of Swarg. Kuber handed over all of the treasuries of Swarg. Jitne dhan, jitne sona, all of the gold and jewels and wealth in Swarg, everything was given over to Tarakasur. Then Tarakasur called the Brahmins. तुम लोग के पास कामधेनु क्यों है? Why do you have कामधेनु? Do you remember who is कामधेनु? कामधेनु दिव्य गौ माता है जो समुद्र मंथन से निकली. The all-giving cow that resides with the Brahmins. So all of the Brahmins thought to themselves, कामधेनु के चक्कर में हम क्यों मरे भैया? So they gave कामधेनु to Tarakasur. One by one he went all three lok, and whatever item of value, yatra yatra shubham vastu dushtam tena sure nahi. Any item of value, Tarakasur, whether it was in the possession of the asuras, devatas, brahmin, राजाओं के पास, सब कुछ हरण कर लिया. देवानाम चैव यद्द्रव्यम पितृणाम च परस्य च. यहाँ भी ध्यान दीजिएगा, तारकासुर पितृलोक भी गए, हर लोक गए. He went to every single lok. On whatever they had of value, he took from them. पितृलोक भी गए, जहाँ आपकी परदादा जी, परदादी जी सब रहते हैं वहाँ पे. All of your ancestors are living there. और इनके पास भी जो भी सिद्धि थी, जो भी धन दौलत, whatever they had, Tarakasur took from them as well. भाई पितृ दोष तो लगेगा. All the pitras are saying to themselves, everybody is offering to us. सब बढ़िया बढ़िया पिंडा बना करके दान करते हैं. ये राक्षस हमसे ले रहे हैं. He is taking from us. But such is his power that no one can stop him. Nisarya sakalan devan daityana sthapayatah. Tarakasur now sits on the Singhasan of Swargalok. नई सरकार जब आती है तो सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? हर मंत्री को बदल देते हैं. They change all the ministers. Agni, Varun, Brihaspati, all of them are removed from their position. शुक्राचार्य जी आ गए राक्षसों को लेकर के, and all of the great positions of Swarg were filled by asuras. So when all of the positions of the devatas are filled by rakshas, the Brahmins stop doing yajna. यज्ञ क्यों करेंगे? अग्नि में आहुति तो डाल नहीं सकते हो, अग्निदेव उपस्थित नहीं है स्वर्ग में. सो ऑल पूजा, ऑल पाठ, ऑल जप, ऑल यज्ञ, एवरीथिंग स्टॉप्ड ऑन पृथ्वी लोक. आप लोग हल्के में ले रहे तारकासुर. यू थिंक आई एम टेलिंग यू अ जोक. दिस राक्षस टुक ओवर स्वर्ग. इट डजंट रियली अफेक्ट यू. इट अफेक्ट्स यू. Imagine if all of the puja you are doing, you are taking darshan, you are offering prasad, अब भगवान के पास पहुंच नहीं रहे. When you say these mantras, who takes these prayers to Bhagavan Vishnu? Who takes these prayers to Bhagavan Shiva? Vayudev carries your mantras, carries your pratana to Swargalok, to Vaikunt Dham, to Kailash Parvat. अब जब वायुदेव को निकाले गए, when they removed Vayudev from office, वो तो खाली हुआ. His office is empty. The Rakshas sitting there has no desire of facilitating your request. So all of the gods were removed from their position. इसलिए मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, ऑन द 20th of April, बी केयरफुल हु यू वोट फॉर। बहुत लोग आपको बहुत कुछ सुना रहे हैं और कुछ और कर रहे हैं। दे आर टेलिंग यू वन थिंग एंड दे आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स। आप सब दिमाग वाले लोग हैं। ऑल ऑफ यू हैव ग्रेट इंटेलिजेंस। Indians pride themselves on education. Indians believe in worshipping Mata Saraswati. We believe in our children going to university. We don't stop at high school. अगर बच्चे जाना भी नहीं चाहते तो ज़बरदस्ती भेजते हैं। You send them forcefully and tell them you have to go and study, get your degree. तो पढ़े लिखे लोग को क्या मैं सुनाऊं? What should I tell you about the importance of an election? But understand, जब राजा आपके पक्ष में नहीं है, when there is a king who does not care about his people, so all of these things happen. All of the devatas, they immediately go to Brahmalok. They go to Pitaji Brahma. इन्होंने ही वरदान दिए हैं। As they stand in Brahmalok का नाम है सत्यलोक. That is where Brahma ji resides. As they stand in Satyalok, रो के ब्रह्मा जी को सुनाते हैं, हे लोकेश लोकेश तारको दैत्यो वरेण तव दर्पिता भवता किमुना ज्ञातं दुःखं यन्न उपस्थितम्। हे पिताजी, आपने कैसे वरदान दिए इस राक्षस को? बिल्कुल सोच समझ करके आपने, ऐसे आप किसी को वरदान देते हैं, यू गिव पीपल व्हाटएवर दे आस्क फॉर। भवता किमुना ज्ञातं दुःखं यन्न उपस्थितम्। There is only pain and suffering all over this world. Hey Pitaji, because of the power that this Rakshas has. अब तारकासुर को छोड़ दीजिए, वो तो युद्ध में आते ही नहीं। तस्य सेनापति क्रौंचो महापायस्ति दानवः। जितने दुष्ट कर्म हो रहा है वो सब अपने सेनापति से करवा रहे हैं। क्रौंचा, दानव का नाम है क्रौंचा, and he is more cruel than his king Tarkasur. We have been removed from Svargalok. There is no yajna, there is no prayer, there is no puja, there is no jap being done on Prithvi Lok. Dharma itself is in trouble. The Brahmins have lost Kamadhenu. वो भी संकट में है। हे विधाता, only you can give us the solution how to defeat this Rakshas. तो ब्रह्मा जी ने कहा, इंद्र वज्र चलाओ। इंद्र ने कहा, मैंने चला दिया, कोई असर नहीं है। इवन द वज्र इज नॉट इफेक्टिव। अब क्या करे सरकार? ब्रह्मा जी ने कहा, वैसे तारका इज इनविंसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बून दैट आई हैव गिवन हिम, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वरदान भगवान विष्णु और भगवान शिव, इवन दे कैन नॉट किल हिम बिकॉज ही इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय अ सीक्रेट क्लॉज। आज मैं वो रहस्य आपको बता देता हूं। तो ब्रह्मा जी टेल्स देम, शिव वीर्य समुत्पन्नो यदि स्यात् तनयसुरा। Only a child born from the Veerta of Bhagavan Shambhu, of Shankar ji, only a child born from this way can defeat this Rakshas known as Tarkasur. इसलिए आप सभी जानते हैं, सती दाक्षायणी पूर्वम त्यक्त देह तुया भवत सोत्पन्ना मेनका गर्भात् सा कथा विदिता ही वह। All of you know that Mata Sati Dakshayani Purvam, Mata Jagadambike was in the form of Mata Sati, or Tyakta Deha Tuya Bhavat. She had given up this body. Now she has been born from the womb of Sotpanna Menaka Garbhat. She has been born from the womb of Mena Devi, the Dharmpatni of Himachal, and she resides in this world as Parvati. Hey Devataon, Indra, you must go to Bhagavan Shiva and convince him to marry Mata Parvati. And he knows of Mata Parvati as well. Sa Suta Girirajasya Sampratam Prodayayivana Tapasyantam Himigiro Nityam Samsevate. Mata Parvati, in her Balyavastha, she was doing seva to Bhagavan Shiva as well. But now Bhagavan Shiva is again engaged in samadhi. You must go to Kailash, where Bholenath is engaged in samadhi, and convince him to marry Mata Parvati. Then when they have a son, this son will remove all difficulties from your life. So Indra thought to himself, it sounds like a very simple thing, but एक बार जब भोलेनाथ समाधि में जाते हैं, so sometimes he does not come out of samadhi for a very long time. So Indra, he says to Brahma ji, वैसे पिताजी हम इस समय कहाँ रह सकते हैं? We have been removed from Swarg. Brahma ji says, I will give you a solution for this as well. So Brahma ji goes to Swarg and he tells Tarakasur, he says, Putra, you have asked for the Vardhan of power. मैंने दे दिया, but you did not ask me for Swarg. जिस सिंहासन पर बैठे हो, वो अधिकार तुमको नहीं है. You do not have authority to sit on that Singhasan. You have defeated the Devatas. They are subservient to you. लेकिन स्वर्ग इनको वापस दे दो. तो तारकासुर, he accepted the words of Brahma ji. कोई बात नहीं ब्रह्मा जी, जैसे आप कहते हैं. So Devendra and the gods were allowed to return to Swarg. लेकिन तारकासुर के शासन में थे. They were in the complete control of तारकासुर. शोणिता कपूर स्थित्वा सर्वराज्यम चकारस. और तारकासुर going to पृथ्वी लोक, मतलब हमारे लोक, earth as you call it, Sonitpura. In this kingdom, Tarakasur ruled all the lokas created in this Vishwa. अब देवेंद्र, he has an emergency meeting in Swarg. और किसको बुलाते हैं? Devendra calls his best friend to this meeting. Who is the friend of Indra? आगस्तात क्षणात् काम सब संतोरति प्रिय सावले पोयुतोरत्य त्रैलोक्य विजयी प्रभु. Devendra calls his friend Kamdev. Kamdev is very close to Indra. कहते हैं इंद्र के पास दो शस्त्र हैं, एक हाथ में वज्र और दूसरे हाथ में कामदेव. These are the two greatest weapons of Indra. कामदेव जब पहुंचे रति के साथ, he was filled with great अहंकार. कामदेव तो सदा अहंकारी रहे. प्रणामम च तथा कृत्वा स्थित्वा तत्पुरतः स्मर. हे राजन, आपने मुझे कैसे याद किया? How have you remembered me today? Indra says, कामदेव क्या बताऊं, यथार्थम मेद्वयम तात निर्मितम व्रजमुत्तमम. You are more powerful than my vajra. There are many saints and rishis who are doing tapasya. इनके ऊपर मैं वज्र नहीं चला सकता हूँ. When I send you to disrupt their tapasya, you always succeed. You have never failed until today, Kamdev. Kamdev, listening to this, thought to himself, वज्रम च निष्फलम स्याद्वै त्वम तु नैव कदाचन. राजन, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. जहां आपका वज्र भी काम नहीं करेगा, वो मैं सफल हो. Tell me today, who is the target? Devendra was very happy to hear the words of Kamdev. देखिए, Kamdev represents, नाम तो सीधे है, स्पष्ट अर्थ है कामः. कामः, people often translate काम as lust, and you think that that refers to a very specific thing, but everything falls under kamaha. Greed, lobh, वो भी काम की एक हिस्सा है. When you can have काम for dhan, you can have काम for pad, position, you can have काम for yash, for fame. The extreme desire of anything is considered to be kamaha. And Kamadev, when he wants to disrupt your penance, when he wants to disrupt your puja, he places desire in your mind. It is very difficult to pray to Bhagavan without any desire. किसके ऊपर कामदेव की प्रभाव नहीं है? देवेंद्र कहते, प्रिय मित्र, दातु परीक्षा धुर्भिक्षो रणेशूरस्य जायते आपत्काले तु मित्रस्य शक्तो स्त्रीणां कुलस्य. देवेंद्र कहते हैं, कामदेव आपके लिए there is a very very important mission, very critical mission, but बहुत खतरा भी है. There is a lot of danger as well. The true test of a Mahadani is at the time when there is nothing, when there is a lack of wealth. The true test of a Kshatriya, Raneshurasya Jayate, is in the battlefield. Indra कहते मित्र आपत्काले तु मित्र स्यात्. The true test of a friend is when you are going through a difficult time and your friend comes to your aid. Strinam kulasya hi shakto. The true test of an ardhangini, of your wife, of your partner, is when you are in financial distress. Vinaye sankate prapter vitasthasya parokshataha. The true test of truth, if somebody is sach mein satyavadi hai, if they have true vinamrata, true humility, is in the time of distress. Hey mitra, इस समय हमारे आपत्काल चल रहा है. This is a very difficult time for all of the devatas. Do you accept this mission? The Kamdev says, Sarkar, whatever you ask me to do, I will be successful. There is no sant, there is no rishi, there is no muni, there is no devi, devata, manushya, nari, yaksha, gandharva, pitra. There is no one who is immune to my power. I can influence anyone to be consumed by desire. आप बस मुझे साफ साफ बताओ, who should I go and influence at this time? So Indra says, Mitra, Vajram tishtatu dure vai shastranyanyan keshava. He says to Kamdev, आप जैसे मित्र हो तो वज्र भी नहीं चाहिए. When you have a powerful friend, you feel very confident. Indra says to him, Hey Kamadev, I need you to go to Kailash Dham. And when you go to Kailash, there is a great Rakshas in this world who can only be killed by the son of Bhagavan Shiva. Etasya maranam proktam prajeshena duratmana. You must go to Bhagavan Shiva. And Shambhusa girirajehi tapa paramamastita सप्रभूर्नापि कामेन स्वतंत्र परमेश्वर. इस समय महादेव शंभु स्वतंत्र तपस्या करते हैं कैलाश में. He is engaged in very deep and very independent tapasya. No one can disturb him. But we need Bhagavan Shiva to marry Girirajehi tapa paramastita. We need him to marry the daughter of Himachal. She is waiting on Prithvi Lok for Bhagavan Shiv. लेकिन क्या करे, हमारे भोलेनाथ तो परम योगी है, परमेश्वर है, उनको कोई इच्छा नहीं होती. So you have to go to Kailash and bring this desire into his heart. Yata tasyam ruchir tasya shivasya niyatatmana jayet nitaramara तथा कार्यम त्वया ध्रुवम. Bhagavan Shiv, he should awaken from his tapasya with one thought in his mind, अब मैं पार्वती से सीधा विवाह करूंगा. When he has this desire, Kamdev, you will save not only Swarg, not only me, your friend, but you will save this entire world as we wait for the son of Bhagavan Shiv. Kamdev ने कहा, मित्र, अग्रही तरसा काम शिव माया विमोहिता. Kamdev ने कहा, even Shiv, even Bholenath, he is not safe from my prabhav. I will go to Kailash, I will influence him. Yatra yogishvara sakshat tapyate paramam tapa. Even though he is engaged in param tap, in great tapasya, मैं उस योगीश्वर को भी हरा दूंगा. अहंकार इज वेरी डेंजरस बंधुओं. कामदेव जानबूझ करके कह रहे कि भगवान शिव योगेश्वर है. ही इज वन हु इज द मास्टर ऑफ योग, परम जितेंद्रिय है. स्टिल ही थिंक्स टू हिमसेल्फ दैट आई कैन ब्रेक दिस तपस्या, आई कैन हैव दिस इन्फ्लुएंस ओवर भगवान शिव. जगाम तत्र सुप्रीत सदारह सवसंतकः. accompanied by his dharmapatni Rati ji and accompanied by Vasant Ritu. He goes to Kailash Parvat. How many of you have been to Kailash Parvat? आज तक कोई गया? You cannot go to Kailash Parvat. Even though geologically speaking it's not as high as Mount Everest. Nobody has been able to climb Mount Kailash. Many different things happen when you try. लोग पागल हो जाते हैं, घूम जाते हैं, खो जाते हैं. There are very strange forces protecting this place. कामदेव when he goes to Kailash Parvat, ये तो देवता है, जा सकता है. First thing he does is he melts all of the snow around where Bhagavan Shiva is sitting as he brings spring season to Kailash. पहली बार कैलाश पर्वत पर वसंत ऋतु आई. And when snow melts, what do you see? All of the beautiful flowers start to bloom. कामदेव की प्रभाव आप हल्का में मत लेना. As soon as he steps foot somewhere, that place starts to blossom with life. Sundarta, beauty comes to that place, and everyone starts to feel very happy, very much in tune with Prakriti. As Kamdev, accompanied by his Dharampatni Rati, जगाम तत्र सुप्रीत सदार सब संतका. Kamdev sees Bhagavan Shiva sitting on a large stone in the middle of Kailash Dham. Surrounding him, there are no ganas. When Bhagavan Shiva is doing this samadhi, so everyone leaves him to have his privacy. तो केवल भोलेनाथ है और कामदेव और रति. Nobody else is there. Kamdev says to himself, there is no way that Bhagavan Shiva will not fall under my influence. And as he prepares to make his move, devotees, this katha we will tell you next Monday. And next week Monday we have something very special planned for you. Katha के बीच में आपको एक दृष्टांत दिखाएंगे. We will have a very special presentation that we will have in the middle of katha, where we will show you exactly how Kamdev tried to destroy and tried to disturb the penance of Bhagavan Shiva. तो अगले सोमवार, I believe it's a long weekend as well. तो रविवार सोमवार को छुट्टी है, तो सबको लेके आओ, बच्चे को भी लेके आओ, and bring them to see this most famous leela of how Kamdev tries to break the tapasya of Yogeshwar Parameshwar Shri Bhole Baba Bhagavan Sara Shiv Shankar. आइए कथा को विश्राम करने के लिए let us sing one more bhajan to Sara Shiv Shankar. हे शिव शंकर हे करुणाकर हे परमेश्वर परम पिता. हे शिव शंकर हे करुणाकर परमेश्वर परम पिता. हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय. हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय. हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय. हे शिव शंकर हे करुणा परमेश्वर परम पिता. बम बम भोले दम भोले तुमने द्वार दया के खोले. बम बम भोले दम भोले तुमने द्वार दया के खोले. जो भी आया शरण तुम्हारी रक्षक बन गए तुम त्रिपुरारी. जो भी आया शरण तुम्हारी रक्षक बन गए तुम त्रिपुरारी. त्रिशूल धरे महाकालेश्वर. त्रिशूल धरे महाकालेश्वर. त्रिशूल धरे महाकालेश्वर. शंकर हे करुणाकर हे परमेश्वर परम पिता हे शिव शंकर हे करुणाकर हे परमेश्वर परम पिता हरे हरे बोले नमः शिवाय हरे हरे बोले नमः शिवाय हरे हरे बोले नमः शिवाय हे शिव शंकर हे करुणाकर हे परमेश्वर परम पिता हे परमेश्वर परम पिता हे परमेश्वर परम पिता। बोल सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। बोलो उमापति महादेव की जय। सभी लोग आरती के लिए खड़े हो जाइए। एवरीवन प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड फॉर आरती। ओम कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम